Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP Ripple. Just wanted to give you an update because there are some news here which are fairly important, so I didn't want to keep them away from you. Keep you updated about the XRP Ripple chart. Generally very bullish on Ripple. I think it has a lot of potential for further price increases, especially if the SEC case will be closed. Or the question isn't if it will be closed, when will it be closed. I think at the moment these signs are pointing towards April. That is when many lawyers, solicitors, whatever, they expect an outcome. Everybody is pretty much in agreement that there will be an outcome certainly here in 2022 anyway. And as I said before, pretty much 95% of all cases with the SEC are ending in a settlement. I think that would be okay for Ripple. Also, generally, the signs for Ripple are looking, I think, fairly good. You know, there are more and more things that are coming out, as far as I can observe from here. There are more and more things and facts coming out in which the SEC just didn't really do themselves a favor. So, and if it ends well for Ripple, which I personally expect, now again, that's of course no guarantee. You know, this is just my view and my expectation. If that happens, then I would expect certainly a nice price increase for Ripple. That would be based on basically be like a catalyst or something for Ripple that could then really boost the price going forward. So where are we? In the last video I showed you here, well, obviously we've got the ABC correction here, yeah. So we had an impulse here from July into September, didn't get to the previous high that we did earlier in 2021, then started a large ABC correction. In that ABC correction, it didn't get to new highs, basically made a low here, a lower high, you could say, compared to the wave 5. And now we are moving down here. Gave you that target area back then. We did come into that target area, and we have so far not really seen a reversal. It looks at the moment that it's bottoming out a little bit, but overall I think we are still caught in this downtrend. In the last video I showed you this triangle here that was forming. Now the bad news is for everybody, that triangle has been broken to the downside. You could still shift it a little bit, make it work like that, showing that Ripple is currently still within that triangle. But if you look at that triangle formation here, it's really pointing towards the downside here, and you can even within that larger downtrend, you can even define a smaller downtrend, if you draw that line there. So it's pretty much getting into an apex here. Doesn't really look good for Ripple. Also from a Elliott Wave point of view, within that wave C, I mean that last, and I need to go to the 4-hour chart maybe, that last move here to the downside, in my view, a clear 5-wave move down and then a 3-wave move up, which isn't good enough, which indicates that lower prices will be coming even from now, that we should see really the price probably come into the yellow target area again. That would be my expectation. Looking at the Elliott Wave account, what my expectation would be is that from up there we saw here an impulse down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What you then saw is a very clear 3-wave structure. You had your wave A, your wave B, your wave C, and we are now starting another impulse down. That's my view. 1, 2, maybe 3 completed already, 4, and then there will be a wave 5 to the downside. Let's see. But I would certainly expect, looking at how the structure of the price is looking and how weak any move up was, and that clear 3-wave structure to the upside is just all pointing towards the very clear scenario that we're going to see lower prices here even. Personally, I would even think, let me just draw the fibs once more so that we know where the price might be going, and start down there all the way to the peak of the wave 5. Okay, so there we've got the fibs from the beginning of that impulse to the upside here, and to where we are now. So what we can see here is we had the price target here, we've had the price target range here. We did come all the way to the 60-cent level already. There is now, in the next move down, in my view, a real risk that we are going to lose the 60 cents and we could see the 50. If the price is losing 50, then you can expect much lower prices all the way down to 35 cents. So I'm very careful with currently buying into Ripple XRP. I think there will be lower prices coming. We can't see any sign of an impulse. Of course, if that changes, I will let you know. But I wouldn't be surprised if we see lower prices. And especially looking at the chart, we are still in this very clear downtrend here at the moment, unfortunately. That's pretty much the update for Ripple XRP. But generally, as soon as this is really breaking, and we see here higher prices, we can certainly expect much higher prices for Ripple XRP. And then we're talking here about, well, at least I would say a $2 Ripple XRP fairly soon, but possibly more realistic even here, something closer towards the $3, maybe the 2.618 Fibonacci extension level in that next wave to the upside. All right, that's pretty much my view on Ripple XRP at the moment. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.